Okay, so we're having a competition. Go ahead, Matt. Best dancer.
Yep, yep,
And we both got to do the same move.
yep.
Now imagine Jada trying to do that.
She ugly when she do it.
Stop! You would return. Look at your hair. What's she doing?
Okay, okay.
Okay, it's my turn. Now look, Matt, you gotta hold it still, okay?
Okay.
It's about to be so funny.
Shut up. Okay.
Go.
See me? Am I ready?
Uh-huh.
Ready?
Okay.
What how you do it?
I'm doing good.
Do you do it this way or this way? I'm doing
This is ugly. Look at that booty.
Hey, dirty. Baby, I got your body. Don't you worry. I said, hey. Baby, I got
Okay, we done.
Let's watch it. Sit down.